Hello guys, it's me again, Jen, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be cooking Chicken Alfredo Pasta! The water starts boiling, we're gonna add salt. Okay, so now we're gonna put our pasta. So for the pasta, you could use fettuccine pasta if you want, but right now I'm just using this. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait until maluto na yung pasta. And while waiting, we can just use the same pan. So the same pan, I'm just gonna put the sauce. Just gonna heat it up. Masyado na yung sarap ng recipe ko. My recipe so good. Chico. We have the sauce, we have the chicken, we're just waiting for the pasta. Okay, so it's about almost 10 minutes. Our pasta is ready. So now let's just remove it from the stove and drain it. Okay guys, so we already put the pasta dito sa may, what do you call this? Basta yun na yung lagayan. And then I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the rest. Okay, I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese again. And if you have Parmesan cheese, you could also put Parmesan cheese. So it should look like this. Parang so creamy and so cheesy, so good. So now we're gonna cover it with. Okay, hold on. So here, okay, for good. Okay, I think it's done. Let's check it out. Mainit pala. So here, you could just put some garnish. Try it. Oh, that was good. Good, Chico. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna eat. Excuse me. Chico, no? Garlic bread. First bite. Yum, yum, yum. Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Nasaan na ba yung camera ulit?